How to fix late notifications problem on Instagram. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix the problem. So let's just jump right in. The very first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Instagram app and see if you have enabled notification. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now once you land on your profile page, tap on the three lines at the top right and then head over to settings. Once you are on the settings menu, you will be able to find the notification settings here. If you don't see it, just go ahead and search for notifications. You'll find it right here. Now, just make sure you have turned on all of the notification and make sure that this option right here is not turned off, because if this happens, all of your notifications will be paused. So just go ahead and turn this off and make sure that you turn on notification for all of these settings as well. Check for every single one, and then if that still doesn't fixes the issue, then go back, long press on Instagram, and head over to the eye icon to head over to its app info. Now once you land on the app info page, just go to storage, and then you're going to have to tap on clear cache. It will clear out all of the unnecessary data, and then if you want, you could also try to clear data once to completely refresh the app. So after doing this, go back, go to permissions, and once you head over to permissions, you should be able to allow all of the permissions to run the app smoothly. And then the final step is to make sure that this notification right here is turned on. And if you wanna change the notification categories, make sure all of these are turned on as well. That is pretty much it, guys. After doing this, just give your phone a quick restart and you should be good to go. I hope this was helpful. I'm gonna see you guys on the next video.